Endocrine System MCQs Practice Bank. Question number 1. Which gland is known as the master gland of the endocrine system? Thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary gland, pineal gland. The correct answer is pituitary gland. Question number 2. Which hormone is responsible for regulating blood calcium levels by increasing calcium reabsorption? Calcitonin, parathyroid hormone, thyroxine, aldosterone. The correct answer is parathyroid hormone. Question number 3. Insulin is secreted by which cells of the pancreas? Alpha cells, delta cells, beta cells, PP cells. The correct answer is beta cells. Question number 4. Glucagon is secreted by which cells of the pancreas? Beta cells, alpha cells, delta cells, Acinar cells. The correct answer is alpha cells. Question number 5. Which hormone stimulates the release of thyroid hormone T3 and T4? TSH, FSH, ACTH, GH or growth hormone? The correct answer is TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Question number 6. The adrenal cortex produces which of the following hormones? Epinephrine, norepinephrine, cortisol, dopamine. The correct answer is cortisol. Question number 7. Which hormone is called the stress hormone? Aldosterone, cortisol, thyroxine, insulin. The correct answer is cortisol. Question number 8. Antidiuretic hormone or ADH is produced in the hypothalamus and released from anterior pituitary, thyroid gland, posterior pituitary gland or adrenal cortex. The correct answer is posterior pituitary gland. Question number 9. Which hormone promotes water retention by the kidneys? Aldosterone only, cortisol, ADH, which is also called as vasopressin, parathyroid hormone. The correct answer is ADH, vasopressin. Question number 10. Oxytocin is primarily involved in blood pressure regulation, uterine contraction and milk ejection, blood glucose regulation, bone remodeling. The correct answer is uterine contractions and milk ejection. Question number 11. Which of the following is mineralocorticoid? Cortisol, aldosterone, testosterone, or estrogen? The correct answer is aldosterone. Aldosterone acts primarily on which organ? Liver, pancreas, kidneys, small intestine. The correct answer is kidneys. Question number 13. Growth hormone is secreted by which part of the pituitary gland? Posterior pituitary gland, intermediate lobe, anterior pituitary gland, hypothalamus. The correct answer is anterior pituitary gland. Question number 14. Which hormone inhibits growth hormone release? GHRH, growth hormone releasing hormone, somatostatin, IGF, insulin like growth factor 1 or prolactin? The correct answer is somatostatin. Question number 15. Thyroid hormones T3 and T4 require which mineral for synthesis? Iron, calcium, iodine, zinc. The correct answer is iodine. Question number 16. Which condition results from hypersecretion of growth hormone in adults? Gigantism, dwarfism, acromegaly, or Cushing syndrome? The correct answer is acromegaly. Question number 17. Hypersecretion of growth hormone before puberty causes acromegaly, gigantism, dwarfism, or myxedema. The correct answer is gigantism. Question number 18. Which hormone is involved in regulating the sleep-wake cycle? Serotonin, cortisol, melatonin, dopamine. The correct answer is melatonin. Question number 19. Melatonin is secreted by which gland? Thyroid gland, pituitary gland, pineal gland, or adrenal gland? The correct answer is pineal gland. Question number 20. Which hormone stimulates the adrenal cortex to release cortisol? TSH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, or luteinizing hormone? The correct answer is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Question number 21. Prolactin is responsible for ovulation, sperm production, milk production in mammary glands, bone growth. The correct answer is milk production in mammary glands. Question number 22. Which hormone triggers ovulation in females? FSH, estrogen, LH, progesterone. The correct answer is LH, luteinizing hormone. Question number 23. The zona glomerulosa of the adrenal cortex primarily produces glucocorticoids, androgens, mineralocorticoids, epinephrine. The correct answer is mineralocorticoids. Question number 24. Which layer of the adrenal cortex produces glucocorticoids? Zona glomerulosa, zona reticularis, zona fasciculata, adrenal medulla. The correct answer is zona fasciculata. Question number 25. Epinephrine and norepinephrine are produced by adrenal cortex, thyroid gland, adrenal medulla, anterior pituitary. The correct answer is adrenal medulla. Question number 26. Type 1 diabetes mellitus results from insulin resistance, excess glucagon, autoimmune destruction of beta cells, excess cortisol. The correct answer is autoimmune destruction of beta cells. Question number 27. Type 2 diabetes mellitus is primarily caused by destruction of beta cells, insulin resistance, lack of glucagon, hyperthyroidism. The correct answer is insulin resistance. Question number 28. Graves' disease is associated with hypothyroidism, hypoparathyroidism, hyperthyroidism, Addison's disease. The correct answer is hyperthyroidism. Question number 29. Hypothyroidism in adults causes Graves' disease, cretinism, myxedema, acromegaly. The correct answer is myxedema. Question number 30. Hypothyroidism in infants or children results in myxedema, cretinism, gigantism, or acromegaly. The correct answer is cretinism. Question number 31. Which hormone decreases blood glucose levels? Glucagon, cortisol, insulin, epinephrine. The correct answer is insulin. Which hormone increases blood glucose levels? Insulin, glucagon, ADH, or aldosterone? The correct answer is glucagon. Question number 33. Cushing syndrome results from excess secretion of aldosterone, thyroxine, cortisol, or growth hormone? The correct answer is cortisol. Question number 34. Addison's disease is caused by excess cortisol production, adrenal cortex insufficiency, hyperparathyroidism, excess aldosterone. The correct answer is adrenal cortex insufficiency. Question number 35. Which hormone promotes sodium retention and potassium excretion in kidneys? ADH, cortisol, aldosterone, calcitonin. The correct answer is aldosterone. Question number 36. Calcitonin is secreted by parathyroid gland, adrenal cortex, thyroid gland, parafollicular cells, pancreas. The correct answer is thyroid gland or parafollicular cells. Question number 37. The effect of calcitonin on blood calcium is increase blood calcium, no effect, decrease blood calcium, variable. The correct answer is decrease blood calcium levels. Question number 38. Steroid hormones are derived from amino acids, proteins, cholesterol, or fatty acids. The correct answer is cholesterol. Question number 39. Peptide hormones worked by binding to intracellular receptors, nuclear receptors, cell surface receptors, DNA directly. The correct answer is cell surface receptors. Question number 40. Which feedback mechanism regulates most endocrine glands? Positive feedback mechanism, feed forward control, negative feedback mechanism, no feedback. The correct answer is negative feedback. Question number 41. An example of positive feedback in the endocrine system is cortisol regulation, thyroid hormone regulation, LH surge during ovulation, insulin secretion. The correct answer is LH surge during ovulation. Question number 42. Which organ is both an endocrine and exocrine gland? Thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, or pineal gland? The correct answer is pancreas. Question number 43. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, in males stimulates testosterone production, spermatogenesis, LH release, or cortisol release. The correct answer is spermatogenesis. Question number 44. Testosterone is primarily produced in adrenal cortex, liver, Leydig cells of testes, or pituitary gland. The correct answer is Leydig cells of testes. Question number 45. Which hormone is responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics in female? Progesterone, luteinizing hormone, estrogen, follicle stimulating hormone. The correct answer is estrogen. Question number 46. The second messenger most commonly used by peptide hormones is messenger RNA, cyclic AMP, cholesterol, or ATP. The correct answer is cyclic AMP. Question number 47. Which gland regulates the pituitary gland through releasing hormones? Pineal gland, thyroid gland, hypothalamus, adrenal gland. The correct answer is hypothalamus. Question number 48. Syndrome of inappropriate ADH, antidiuretic hormone, leads to diabetes insipidus, hypernatremia, hyponatremia, and water retention, hyperglycemia. The correct answer is hyponatremia and water retention. Question number 49. Diabetes insipidus is caused by insulin deficiency, ADH deficiency or resistance, excess cortisol, excess aldosterone. The correct answer is ADH deficiency or resistance. Question number 50. Which hormone is produced by the corpus luteum during pregnancy? Estrogen only, FSH, progesterone, or LH? The correct answer is progesterone. Thank you.